Introduction to Kali Linux for Hackers, from Basics to Advanced. Welcome to your ultimate guide to mastering Kali Linux, the most powerful and widely used operating system for ethical hackers and penetration testers. Whether you're just stepping into the world of cybersecurity or you're an experienced professional looking to deepen your skills, this course will equip you with everything you need to know about Kali Linux, from the fundamentals to advanced techniques. Who am I? I'm MasaudSec, a cybersecurity professional, ethical hacker, and penetration tester with years of experience in the field. I specialize in teaching cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing to students worldwide. Through my mentorship, I have helped countless individuals achieve their goals in this exciting and ever-evolving domain. If you're ready to learn cybersecurity from someone deeply involved in the field, you've come to the right place. My mentorship program is designed to provide personal guidance, hands-on experience, and real-world insights. You can find more details about me and my offerings if you're interested in enrolling and learning directly from me, your true mentor. Feel free to contact me on WhatsApp for more information. Why Kali Linux? Kali Linux is not just an operating system. It's a complete security testing platform designed by experts for professionals. It comes preloaded with hundreds of tools that cater to every stage of a penetration test, including reconnaissance, vulnerability assessment, exploitation, and post-exploitation. It's open source, highly customizable, and backed by an active community, making it the perfect choice for anyone serious about cybersecurity. What you'll learn in this course will cover everything about Kali Linux, breaking it down into easy-to-follow modules so you can learn systematically. 1. Getting started with Kali Linux. Understanding what Kali Linux is and its role in ethical hacking. Installing Kali Linux on your system, bare metal, virtual machines, or cloud platforms. Configuring Kali Linux for optimal performance and security. 2. Mastering Linux basics. File system navigation, cd, ls, pwd, tree. Managing files and directories, touch, mkdir, rm, mv, cp. File permissions and ownership, chmod, chad, chown, and chgrp. Understanding processes and system monitoring, top, htop, ps, kill. 3. Intermediate commands and tools. Networking basics, ifconfig, ip, netstat, ping, traceroute. User management, add user, usermod, passwd. Package management, apt-get, dpkg, and repositories. 4. Advanced Linux skills. Scripting with bash for automation, using tools like awk, sed, grep, and regular expressions for text processing. Advanced networking with Wireshark, TCP dump, and Nmap. 5. Specialized hacking tools in Kali Linux. Web application penetration testing tools like Burp Suite, SQLmap, and Nikto. Password cracking with John the Ripper and Hashcat. Wireless attacks using AirCrackNG and Reaver. Exploitation frameworks like Metasploit. 6. Customizing Kali Linux for your workflow. Setting up custom scripts and aliases for efficiency. Managing persistence and securing your system. Integrating third-party tools. Why this course? What sets this course apart is the level of detail and the practical, hands-on approach. I will not just explain commands and tools, I'll show you how to use them in real-world scenarios. Every topic will be supplemented with exercises, challenges, and best practices to ensure you're building real-world hacking expertise. Whether your goal is to excel and capture the flag, CTF challenges, perform professional penetration tests, or simply explore the vast potential of Kali Linux, this course will serve as your comprehensive guide. By the end of this journey, you'll have a deep understanding of both the theoretical concepts and practical applications of Kali Linux in cybersecurity. Let's get started and unlock the